thank God for everything. As well, we don't have any word to appreciate what Protrainy and also the era done to the learners. And we also sent our gratitude also to the instructor also for having the time and all the energy to deliver all what we are expected to. We have learned a lot, and by God grace, a lot of learners will be coming from different countries. When I say different country, I mean the countries in Africa and do all the globe at large, because you deserve and you really done what we are expected from you. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, out of 100, we can give you 99%. So anybody who saw this, please, we really appreciate and give you a distinction out of it. Yeah, the materials are good and is well satisfactory. But the only issue is, more especially me in particular, I'm having issue with my laptop. My board has been spoiled. I know many of learners, maybe they may encounter one thing or the other, but at least the lecture and recordings are there. We try as much as possible to do to do the necessary when we are recovered from any issues or when we have solved from any issues. Yeah, I have many suggestions. I think if you can look at it, it is not a small program, this one, but the turnout is small. So I'm expecting maybe, I don't know what will happen, but maybe we have to do something so that many will learn from this thing. And after then, I'm suggesting maybe from this program, the next I'm suggesting to be maybe how to design the structural design. I think once we are be able to do AutoCAD and design in this era, we'll go far as a construction manager or architect or civil engineer is concerned.